Hi guys, Steph here. Okie do, today we've got a free giveaway. Way! Yes, a free giveaway. And what we're giving away is a Sheaffer fountain pen. Now, which fountain pen is it? Some of you eagle-eyed viewers would have seen this on my last pen haul video, so there we have it. What we're giving away, oops, upside down. There we go. What we're giving away is a Sheaffer Agio frosted pink fountain pen. Now, slightly different. What I'm going to do today, this giveaway, well, unfortunately or fortunately, is for my lady viewers and subscribers. So this one, the giveaway will be for the ladies only. So you gentlemen out there, I'm sorry, it's not for you. As I say, what I've decided to do, because of the pen and the colour, etc., I've decided just to simply offer this for the ladies. So for you ladies out there, for you lady viewers, subscribers, etc., it's a bit of a thank you for subscribing, watching my videos. So why not enter? You've got to be in it to win it. So let's just show you first of all what we're going to be giving away. As you saw, it's a Sheaffer pen. Let's open it up and look at this gorgeous pen here. Yes, as it says, in this lovely frosted pink colour. Let's give you a little bit of a close-up. It's got chrome trim, as you can see there. A lovely pen. Let's take the cap off. Let's give you a couple of little twirls. So there'll be a lady out there that'll enjoy this pen, I hope. There you go. You've got this section. It's got this little sort of grip area. We've got a stainless steel nib. There's a sideways. There's the sort of the feed underneath. A lovely slim pen. Quite a nice hefty pen as well. Okay, so let's take the barrel off. And there we have it. You've got a converter inside the pen there for filling the pen up with ink. The pen has never been used, so it's an ex-stock fountain pen. Again, found recently on one of my pen haul sort of pen searches. So I decided, right, what we'll do, we'll give this one away. And then underneath the packaging here, you see you've got the Sheaffer user guide. You've got 2 Sheaffer ink cartridges as well, so you can decide whether you want to fill it with ink or use the cartridges. So there we have it. Let's pop that here so you can see it's a Sheaffer. So we've got this lovely Sheaffer Agio fountain pen. I believe, well, they've actually stopped making these, so they're not available anymore. As I say, I believe this one to be ex-stock, and the date of them, I think they were around about 2014, so not so much vintage but not current. But the main thing being, as I say, this lovely pink colour, this frosted pink colour. And as I say, you've got the chrome trim there to the top. So let's pop it back in the case there. So there we have it. So for you ladies out there, you lady subscribers, you lady, well, any of you ladies, young ladies, don't matter if your age, etc. If you want to enter this free giveaway, all you need to do is leave a comment down below, and I want you to answer me a very simple question. I want you to tell me what colour this pen is. So that's all you need to do, ladies. Leave a comment below, tell me the colour of the pen, and what I'll do, I'm going to leave this giveaway, this competition, open for 7 days. I will close it next Wednesday at 12 o'clock British summertime. So after 12 o'clock PM Tuesday, don't bother entering, because Wednesday I will do the draw and will give this gorgeous pen away to one lucky lady. So don't forget, you've got to be in it to win it. So come on, you ladies, don't be shy. Enter this free giveaway. And sorry, gentlemen, as I say, this is for the ladies only. So, good luck to everybody. Don't be shy. Enter. You've got to be in it to win it. Leave a comment down below, answer the question, and it could be you. But for now, I'll just say to everybody, please stay safe. And from me and this lovely pen, I'll just say bye-bye for now.